What is an Orange Book in pharmaceutical industry? India has one of the largest and most advanced pharmaceutical industries among developing countries. By any measure, the Indian pharmaceutical business has progressed dramatically during the previous 3 decades. Hello and welcome to Jigs Chemical Limited. I am Vinita, and in this video we are going to discuss about one more aspect of pharmaceutical industry, that is Orange Book. What is Orange Book? Who can use Orange Book? Why Orange Book is called as Orange Book? What type of information can be retrieved from Orange Book? What is the Orange Book? The Orange Book is a free online resource that contains a list of drugs that has been approved by the US Food and Drug Administration as both safe and effective. By the help of Orange Book, we can know about searching for generic equivalents to brand name drugs, drug patents, and drug exclusivity. An Orange Book is a credible source of information regarding FDA approved drugs for medical professionals and researchers. The real name of Orange Book is the Publication Approved Drug Products with Therapeutic Equivalence Evaluations. Orange Book gives drugs approved on the basis of safety and effectiveness by the Food and Drug Administration (FDA), which comes under the Federal Food, Drug and Cosmetics Act, and related patent and exclusivity information. What patents listed in the Orange Book? Patents that are eligible to be listed in the Orange Book are: 1. The patents that have claims that cover the drug substance or active ingredient. 2. The drug product or formulation and composition. 3. The drug approved method of use. Who uses the Orange Book? It is easier for medical professionals, researchers for their relevant information. Why is the Orange Book called the Orange Book? The Orange Book name can be attributed to the Halloween holiday. The first print publication occurred October 1980, and the color orange was selected since it was almost Halloween. What are the main uses of Orange Book? What information can be searched in Orange Book? The Orange Book is used to retrieve information such as drug application date, drug approval date, and list of related patents, whether the patents claims drug substance such as active pharmaceutical ingredient, method of treating, dosage, composition, and formulations, to find out the expiry dates of the corresponding patents, to search for the innovator's drug and corresponding generic drug information. How the information of Orange Book helpful? It helps in taking important decisions, strategies for pharmaceutical companies, whether to go into the market for the sale of any medications. What are the details of drugs can be found in Orange Book? To find approved drugs, search by proprietary names, active ingredient or application number, search by applicant company, search by dosage form, tablet or capsule, search by route of administration, oral or injection. The following information is retrieved by providing any of the above information. To know if the approved drug is a prescribed drug, RX or OTC over-the-counter drug, or discontinued drug. To know dosage form, capsule, tablet, injectable or suspension. To know route of administration of the drug, oral, injection, subcutaneous. To know the strength of the drug in mg. To know newly added patents or delisted patents. To find patent information, search by patent number. To summarize, we can find out following information: drug application number, active ingredient, trade name, dosage form, route, strength, patent number, patent expiry date, drug substance or active ingredient, final drug product or formulation or composition. Patent use code to identify the use of a drug product Drugs market status and date of submission to FDA can also be retrieved. Hope the information about Orange Book is useful to you. We will bring more such videos of pharmaceutical industry basics. Jix Chemical Limited is a market leader in chemicals and pharmaceutical industry with good contacts and relations maintained with customers and suppliers. Manufacturers, please contact us for your requirement of pharmaceutical API, intermediates, chemicals and solvents. Visit our website jixchemical.com. Please like and subscribe this channel. For more information of Orange Book, the link of Orange Book is given in the description box. Thank you so much for watching.